In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use forms in Clickup. Forms are a powerful tool that can help you streamline data collection, organize responses, and simplify your workflows. Whether you're gathering feedback, managing project requests, or collecting job applications, Clickup makes it easy to create and customize forms to suit your needs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up and use forms in your workspace to keep everything running smoothly. Let's get started. First, open your Clickup workspace and make sure you're logged into the correct workspace. This is important because forms are tied to specific projects, so double-check that you're in the right place before continuing. Next, select the project where you'd like to create your form. This might be a project dedicated to client feedback, a new initiative intake process, or anything else you're working on. Just click into the project that aligns with your form's purpose. Once you're in the project, look at the top bar and click on the View option. This will open up a menu that gives you access to different viewing modes for your project. Now search for Form within the View menu. Clickup provides multiple view types, and Form is specifically designed for creating and collecting responses. From here, you can choose to start with a preset form template or create one from scratch. If you opt for a template, you'll find options like feedback forms, project intake forms, or job application forms. Templates are great for saving time and giving you a foundation to build on. If you prefer, you can also select the blank form option to start fresh and customize it to your exact needs. Once your form is set up, you can edit it using Clickup's drag-and-drop editor. This is where the fun begins. You can add fields, rearrange them, and customize the questions, descriptions, and layout to fit the purpose of your form. As you're editing, feel free to add or remove fields as necessary. For example, if you need to collect phone numbers or job titles, you can add those fields. If something isn't relevant, simply delete it. You can also mark specific fields as required, ensuring that respondents can't skip over important information. Take some time to review your form carefully. Make sure it aligns with your goals and includes all the necessary details you need to collect. This is your chance to double-check for any missing or unclear fields. When you're happy with the design and content, save the form to finalize your changes. Once saved, your form will be ready to use. Before putting it out into the world, it's a good idea to test the form. Submit a sample response to make sure everything is functioning correctly. Pay attention to how the questions appear, whether required fields are working properly, and if the responses are being captured as expected. Now that everything is set up and tested, it's time to share your form. You can share the link directly with your team, clients, or other stakeholders, or embed the form on a website or another platform where responses need to be collected. Finally, monitor the responses directly within the associated project in Clickup. This allows you to keep track of submissions and organize the information seamlessly with the rest of your workflow. If you don't already have a Clickup account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started today. And that's it. You now know how to create, customize, and use forms in Clickup. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.